And now let's have a look at the electoral battle for Azamgarh in Uttar Pradesh. DD India's correspondent Deepika Mehta gives us a detailed report.
On the coming 25th of May, the voters of Azamgarh have to really make a very tough decision. There are interesting candidates on this seat. From BJP, you have Dinesh Lal Yadav, who's also known as Nirua, the famous celebrity. While on the other hand, you have Dharmendra Yadav from Samajwadi Party, who's also a very close aide of Akhilesh Yadav. Now, the question here is the question of prestige over this particular seat of Azamgarh. While there are political banters which are continuously ongoing between both the parties, the BJP as well as the SP, it remains to be seen that who win the hearts of the voters coming the 25th of May.
The political fight is getting hotter in Azamgarh. Back-to-back rallies, late-night campaigning with a touch of music to elaborate the festivity of democracy is a common scene here. The UP Belt voters are a huge fan of Niraua, aka Dinesh Lal Yadav, who's candidate from BJP here. He may have lost 2019 Lok Sabha elections, but he is more confident this time.
आजमगढ़ में अब भगोड़े नेता लोगों के लिए जगह नहीं है और वो दोनों भाई भगोड़े हैं। 19 में जीते तो अखिलेश यादव जी भाग गए, 22 में हारे तो धर्मेंद्र भाग गए और ये लोग कभी आजमगढ़ दिखाई दिए नहीं। तो आजमगढ़ की जनता को ऐसे भगोड़ों पे भरोसा नहीं है। आजमगढ़ में जब कोई आदमी हारने के बाद भी रह रहा था और जीतने के बाद भी रहा तो ही इनको भरोसा हुआ कि ये अब हमको आदमी मिला है जो यहाँ रह के काम कर रहा है। तो इसलिए आजमगढ़ की जनता खुद ही कह रही है कि हम लोग आपको इस बार और बड़े अंतर से जिताएंगे।
While BJP's Niraua believes that SP candidate Dharmendra is a fugitive, on the other hand, Dharmendra Yadav, a seasoned MP from Azamgarh, says that BJP's candidate Dinesh is an accidental MP.
उनको देख लिया लोगों ने, एक्सीडेंटल एमपी हैं, देख लिया लोगों ने, नाप लिया आजमगढ़ के लोगों ने, अब मौका नहीं मिलेगा दोबारा।
Well, the political banters continue as the campaigning picks up pace, but what is even more interesting is to see how the political rallies are entertaining everyone. A Class 5 student is leaving no stone unturned to use this platform as his singing podium, appealing all the voters.
Political banters continue, but the festival of democracy is also continuing unabatedly. You can see behind me the large number of people, the voters of respective parties have come here to celebrate. Whatever the soaring temperature is, the excitement is at its maximum level, is at its peak. So what happens on the 25th of May? That the voters will decide. But right now, the festival of democracy across India and especially in Azamgarh is at its peak. With camera person Sanjeev, this is Deepika reporting from Azamgarh for DD India.
Well, 2014 was a